Hey, what's up everybody? So I pretty much put everything on the car just to see how much, to see where everything pretty much lines up. The door has a little gap, that's good right there, so I can open and close. It's good, the gap's good on it. Just need to put the window in still. We haven't finished welding, I just put everything on just to see how it lines up. Because I noticed the wheels kind of push back a little bit. We're gonna have to pull it back or change the strut from the other part that I got from the other quarter panel that came with the strut. So we're probably gonna replace that because I noticed it's a little bent. So we're gonna be doing that. What else? We still gotta put the door handle on. Like I said, we gotta finish welding. I'm just waiting on this guy. He takes forever. It's like he comes for 20 minutes and then he's gone, and he has a whole bunch of work and stuff. I don't know what's going on with that guy, but I'm trying to get this done, and then we'll see what's going on from there. So just keeping you guys updated on this video, and we'll probably be shooting some tack welds, but the way I'm seeing he's doing it, it looks horrible. So I don't know about that one. We'll see in the next video.